Question 61. Question 61 asks that oxidative phosphorylation occur during the process of oxidative phosphorylation. It involves synthesis of ATP by F0F1 complex after ETS. After electron transport system, the synthesis of ATP by the F0F1 complex is known as oxidative phosphorylation. So, this occurs during the process of respiration because ETS and oxidative phosphorylation are part of aerobic respiration. Next is question 62. Question 62 asks that ferredoxin is a. Now, ferredoxin is a electron acceptor of PS1 and it is used in different pathway as well. Now, it is a proteinaceous component, so ferredoxin is a protein compound, so option A is the correct answer. Next is question 63. Question 63 asks that which of the following plant is widely accepted to respire in absence of oxygen? Widely accepted to respire in absence of O2. So if we see here, it is question is asking about anaerobic respiration, and anaerobic respiration are carried out by fungi or bacteria. Now option A is given as yeast and yeast carry out alcoholic fermentation, so A is correct answer. Question 64. Question 64 asks that the significance of pentose phosphate pathway is significance of pentose phosphate pathway is. Now statement A is given as to produce intermediates for CO2 fixation. Yes, for CO2 fixation intermediates are used of this. Option B, to synthesize carbohydrate with a 3, 4, 5 and 7 carbon atom. Yes, there is a synthesis of 7 carbon atoms. And option C, both A and B, so it is a correct answer. Both A and B are used and D is not used. Question 65. Question 65 asks that evolution of CO2 is more than intake of oxygen when evolution of CO2 is more than intake of O2. So intake of O2 is more when RQ is greater than 1. Intake of O2 from outside is more when intake of O2 is more when RQ is less than 1, like fat. Fat need a more oxygen from outside to break. When intake of O2 is less then RQ is greater than 1. Now question is asks that evolution of CO2 is more than the intake of O2, so means it becomes the greater than 1 and RQ is greater than 1 of organic acids. So C is the correct answer, that organic acids are respired. Next is question 66. Question 66 asks that they are the widely used to kill dicot weeds and does not affect the mature monocot weeds. So it is a question about the auxin, and they are asking that which auxin act as a VD sites, and this VD site is nothing but 2,4-D, which remove broad leaved or dicot weeds in monocot field. So it is used to kill dicot weeds and does not affect the mature monocot weeds. So it is a 2,4-D. It is nothing but a artificial or synthetic auxin. So D is the correct answer. Next is question 67. Question 67 asks that select the correct pair. Select the correct pair. Now option A is given as that 4 carbon compound is alpha ketoglutaric acid. So it is incorrect, as alpha ketoglutaric is a 5 carbon compound. Option B, 5 carbon compound is citric acid. So it is incorrect, as citric acid is a 6 carbon compound. C, it is given as 6 carbon compound oxaloacetic acid, that is OAA. OAA is 4 carbon compound, not a 6 carbon compound. And D is given as 3 carbon compound pyruvate. So 3 carbon compound pyruvate, it is correct, as pyruvic acid is a 3 carbon compound. So D is the correct answer for question 67. Next is question 68. Question 68 are that one of the synthetic auxin is now you know that synthetic auxin are indole butyric acid, naphthalene acetic acid, 2,4-D, 2,4,5-T, all are synthetic auxin. Only indole acetic acid is the natural auxin. Now this is given, A option is given as indole acetic acid, so it cannot be there. B is given as naphthalene acetic acid, so it is synthetic auxin. C is given as indole butyric acid, so it is also synthetic auxin. And D is given, and both B and C, so it is the correct answer. So D is the correct answer for question 68. Question 69. Question 69 asks that which of the following reaction represent anaerobic respiration? Represent anaerobic respiration. Now if we talk about anaerobic respiration, option A is given as 6CO2 plus 6H2O give rise to C6H12O6. So it is talking about photosynthesis, so it is not anaerobic respiration. B is given as C6H12O6 plus 6O2 give rise to the CO2 plus H2O and energy. So breakdown of glucose is occurring, but here 6 CO2 and H2O are obtained, so this is not representing anaerobic respiration. C is given as C6H12O6 give rise to 2C2H5OH plus 2CO2 plus energy. So this is the correct answer, as alcohol synthesis, ethyl alcohol synthesis is occurring, means it is representing alcohol fermentation. So it is correct. And D is given as 6CO2 plus 6H2O give rise to C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 3O2. It is all talking about a photosynthesis, so it is incorrect. So C is the correct answer. Question 70. Question 70 asks that Krebs cycle occur in. Krebs cycle occur in. So it is asking about a location of Krebs cycle. You know that in mitochondria we have folding of inner mitochondrial matrix Inner membrane, and this is matrix of mitochondria. Actually, Krebs cycle or TCA cycle occur. Krebs cycle also known as TCA cycle. So TCA cycle occur in this matrix of mitochondria. So option C is the correct answer. Question 71. Question 71 asks that mineral activity needed for the enzyme carboxylase of TCA cycle. Mineral activator for enzyme carboxylase. Actually, it should be decarboxylase. So, because in TCA cycle there is no involvement of carboxylase, decarboxylase acting, and this decarboxylase is correctly named as oxalosuccinate decarboxylase, and the mineral activator for this is a magnesium. So A is the correct answer. Next is question 72. Question 72 asks that anaerobic respiration was first of all reported by. Anaerobic respiration first of all reported by. So if we talk about the name of the scientist, this was first studied by Kostychev in 1902. So Kostychev, that is a B option is correct answer. Next is question 73. Question 73 asks that sucrose is converted into glucose. Sucrose is converted into glucose and so you know that sucrose is a disaccharide and is a disaccharide formed by a fusion of glucose and another monosaccharide, that is fructose. So BC is the correct answer. Next is question 74. Question 74 asks that who isolated oxygen from the tip of coleoptile of osatride? Who isolated oxygen from tips of coleoptile of oat seedling? So as you know that this was carried out by F.W. Wendt. What F.W. Wendt did, he taken a oat coleoptile and decapitated it, and the decapitated tip of oat coleoptile kept on the agar block. Now oxygen was transported from this cap to the agar. Now he placed this agar block on the cut coleoptile. Now this cut coleoptile also shown bending, and bending occurred. Means this tip is the region which synthesizes oxygen, and from this agar block after the experiment he isolated oxygen and named as indole acetic acid. So this F.W. Wendt is the scientist for this. So B is the correct answer. Next is question 75. Question 75 asks that HMP shunt, that is a hexose monophosphate shunt, which is also known as pentose phosphate pathway, is a set of reaction. Option A called a pentose phosphate pathway. Yes, it is correct. B is given as that which bypass EMP route of glucose oxidation. Yes, this HMP is known as alternative pathway of glycolysis, because when glycolysis stops or does not occur due to any reason, the HMP shunt will work and gives the energy from the glucose. So it is also correct that it bypasses EMP and glucose route of glucose oxidation. And C is given as either of the above. So correct, it is applicable for both. And D is given, which converts glucose to phosphoglycerate. When glucose is converting phosphoglycerate means glycolysis is occurring, so there is no need of adjunction, so it is incorrect. C is the correct answer.